For the MacBook users, a new software update is rolling out. The version of this update is macOS Tahoe 26.3. The size of this update is around 3.68 GB. In this update description, they mentioned that it comes with important bug fixes, security updates. So I started downloading the update, and once it completes, I install it. Now, here is something I noticed with the previous Tahoe updates. These updates are draining battery on MacBooks, especially on my M1 MacBook Air. I got a lot of comments saying in other models also they are facing the same issues. Let me know in the comments how yours is. Updates wise, it's honestly nice to see even for this first generation of M series, MacBooks getting update on time. This particular model M1 Air was released back in November 2020. Coming back to the update, it took around 20 minutes to complete the installation. I didn't run any Cinebench scores for this video, but after some hours of using, all I can say is my MacBook is still the same as before and there are no issues or bugs I observed. If you're using the previous version Tahoe 26.2, yes, you install this update. If you have updated your MacBook and found any issues, feel free to share them in the comments. It will really help others too. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button so this video reaches more MacBook users like you, and I'll see you again in the next one.